Sewing stilettos come in different sizes and shapes and are made from different materials. The one attribute they all have in common is a sharp point to hold on to fabric. A stiletto acts as an extension of your hand or your fingers and can make your sewing task easier. When sewing two pieces of fabric together, the stiletto will hold those pieces together as you run it through the machine. This works great when sewing smaller pieces that are harder to handle. You can use this to readjust seams. As I'm sewing, I see that I want this seam to go in this direction. So I just hold that down and stitch. And I want this seam to go in this direction. When matching multiple seams like this that need to be pinned, a stiletto can hold that in place as you remove the pin and sew. You can see that the stiletto can get right up into where that needle is. That ensures that all those layers stay in place once that pin's removed. Anytime you have something really bulky to sew, like these jeans, that stiletto can push down on that fabric and help move it through the machine. Another way stilettos can be useful is when adding trim. It can keep the trim in line and hold it in place. When pressing, stilettos can keep you from getting too close to a hot iron. You can use a stiletto to help open those seams when pressing your binding. A stiletto also comes in handy as you can get in there and hold those seams down without having to worry about your finger. You can purchase these stilettos or use household objects to fill in, like the seam ripper. I often use these scissors because they're always nearby. Next time you have to sew into a tight space, remember to pick up your stiletto for support. This video is part of our encyclopedia. Click on the Encyclopedia tab to see the entire entry. Please visit learnhowtoquilt.com if you're looking to find more information about a particular quilting topic. Let us know if you don't find what you're looking for, and we'll try to make a new post for your inquiry. Thanks, and have a great day sewing.